For over 100 years, YOKOGAWA has served to bring together technology and industry. YOKOGAWA has won global recognition as a provider of solutions for the control of non-stop, mission-critical processes. Our customers can also look to us to provide support over the entire life cycle of their plant facilities. Under the Oprex brand, we offer superior technologies and services. We help transform customers' business processes and sustain the creation of value. The Life Innovation business builds on the experience of our industrial automation and control business by integrating cutting-edge cell imaging and other core technologies to develop diverse solutions for basic research, manufacturing, logistics and services in the pharmaceutical and food industries. YOKOGAWA has a global network of over 100 companies in 60 countries. These companies have strong local roots and work closely with our customers around the world. Through its businesses, YOKOGAWA is working towards a world in which we can live sustainably. Co-Innovating Tomorrow. With the aim of making this a better world for future generations, YOKOGAWA continually engages in the co-creation of new value with its customers.
YOKOGAWA Co-Innovating Tomorrow.